from the adventure of the future. Greetings! With our concept for the 2026 Nissan Motorhome, an amazing blend of performance, comfort, and independence. Get ready to see the world in a completely new manner. Its streamlined aerodynamic shape, which could be installed on a state-of-the-art electric van chassis or a smart business van like the upcoming Nissan NV350 Caravan, is an example of how Nissan's unique modern design lines are both visually beautiful and functional. Its bold design belies a range of strong and effective engines, such as the dependable blue DCI turbo diesel engine or even a silent and environmentally friendly all-electric powertrain, giving you choices for every journey. A completely redesigned interface that combines style and functionality may be found within. The control center is a sizable, intuitive touchscreen infotainment display that provides controls for every aspect of RV operation, smooth smartphone connectivity, and advanced navigation. The cabin's elegant yet cozy design, which includes premium materials and dark chrome accents, demonstrates Nissan's commitment to quality and innovation. Crucial information is shown on an easily readable and movable digital instrument panel. The main living room is located aft and has been carefully designed to utilize every available square inch of space. Because of the incredible adaptability of modular design, a comfortable lounge area with well-covered sofas may be swiftly converted into a spacious dining area. Large panoramic windows offer stunning views of everything you will see and let in a lot of natural light. At night, the cabin looks warm and inviting thanks to an ambient LED lighting system. When it's time to unwind, the bedroom offers the opulence of a boutique hotel. The comfortable queen-size bed with an ergonomic mattress is surrounded by a small bookcase and useful concealed storage. A side window with blackout curtains ensures privacy and a good night's sleep after a long day of travel. The bathroom is extremely modern and efficient for its modest size. It has an efficient cassette toilet, a fold-down sink with stylish taps, and a wet bath with a warm water shower. Its clever design ensures functionality without compromising style, allowing you to always look your best. You may cook your favorite dishes in the little but well-equipped kitchen. It has a 2-burner induction cooktop, a stainless steel sink, a small refrigerator, and plenty of space for storing cookware and supplies. A clever fold-down table and a small prep space make cooking easy and fun even in the wilderness. The 2026 Nissan Motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's a mobile home that offers genuine independence. The voyage ahead is endless. Get ready to travel, discover, and enjoy every moment.